the province of Tyumen in Western Siberia. It's the heart of Russia's flourishing gas and oil production and an important agricultural center. Over vast areas, farmers cultivate crops, especially summer wheat. At the same time, Western Siberia is of global importance in terms of biodiversity conservation and fixation of greenhouse gases. Its peatlands, forests and steppe soils store almost a quarter of all the Earth's carbon fixed since the last ice age. However, Tyumen is likely to face considerable changes. The University of Münster in North Germany. Here, Professor Norbert Herzl is tackling the consequences of global warming together with a team of German and Russian experts.
We expect that global warming will lead to an increasing drought risk in the agricultural areas of northern Kazakhstan. This means that we will have a shift of the Western Siberian corn belt to the north into important wetland areas, and this may cause severe problems because a lot of carbon is stored in these wetlands, and they're also of major importance for biodiversity preservation.
This geographical shift of agriculture will be driven by the inefficiency of current farming practices. This results in low yields, and that forces the farmers to expand their land use. In addition, the landscape suffers from erosion and a degradation of soil fertility. The local people have already been confronted with increasing problems.
They can see these negative effects, and they also are quite aware about the degradative influence of their current land use practice.
Together with his team, Professor Herzl is developing strategies for sustainable land use in Western Siberia. With satellite data, they compile basic knowledge about geographical conditions and current land use. In addition, the scientists evaluate the impact of different land use types and farming practices.
For example, agricultural byproducts are not integrated in the management, so they are stored in lagoons or in huge piles, but they are not utilized for agricultural production. So this means we are losing a lot of essential nutrients and also of carbon.
Moreover, the use of manure and crop rotation could improve the productivity of the soil. A permanent cover for the soil surface would fight erosion. With the project SASCHA, the scientists will provide comprehensive solutions for sustainable land use, not only for this specific region.
There are many similar regions which are facing very similar problems in Central Asia, for example in northern Kazakhstan, in Mongolia, but also in China.
And because a release of the Siberian greenhouse gases would affect the whole atmosphere, the benefit would be felt worldwide.